Selen?
Evet. Yes. Kanka bana ondan dolayı böyle yapıyorsanız ben nasıl içmem bu arada okuyayım yani. Görüyorum evet. Yes. Okay? Yeah, perfect.
Okay, be careful.
Hello.
Yes, wait moment. Big motorbike, maybe. Maju dulu, Pak. Oke, wait. From here. Yes, because
Oh,
the
yeah.
big.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay.
Back.
Boleh lihat garisnya.
Ya, Pak. Maaf, Pak.
Stop dulu, stop. Kanannya, Pak, kanannya.
Nggak kena, Pak. Motor, Pak. Bentar, Pak. Very hot today.
Yeah, very hot today.
Where are you from?
Nice. I'm from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Living or holiday here?
Huh? Sorry?
You holiday or living here?
Yeah, only the 1 month I'm here.
What happened?
Yeah.
Oh, Pak De. Mabut.
Wow.
Why? Trouble. Trouble maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some accident.
Accident maybe. Accident. Okay. Go to.
Bye bye.
How long you holiday here?
Okay.
How long you holiday here?
1 month.
1 month.
Yes.
Only Canggu or go to Kintamani, Dugul, Uluwatu already?
I didn't, but I just here like 4 days.
4 days.
Yes. I will go Uluwatu.
Yes.
Soon, yeah.
Uluwatu's good.
Yeah, it's good.
No traffic.
I want to go to waterfall, you know?
Yes. You can go to Ubud?
Sorry?
Ubud already or no? No?
Yeah.
Oh, Ubud's good?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yes.
Food is good, right?
Yes, Ubud. Maybe you go to Ubud more waterfall. Maybe you like waterfall?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And it's cheap there as well.
Yes, cheap. From here, maybe use the Grab. What maybe 100.
Uh-huh.
Yes, go to use the Grab
100 bucks.
for the trip 100,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
100,
Yes,
yeah.
from Canggu. Yes. If you like the waterfall, Ubud's more, very more waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you like the beach, go to Uluwatu. Uluwatu's very good for the beach. You play surfing or no?
Sorry?
You play surfing?
Yes.
Yeah, surfing is good. The place in Suluban.
Oh, okay.
Suluban Beach. Di professional surfing Balangan Beach. Oh no. Okay. careful.
Yes. Opa.
Okay.
Yeah.
You pay cash, okay?
Yeah, pay cash. Yeah.
Yes.
How much?
It's 80.
18, yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If you need the driver,
Yeah.
you keep my number. Maybe
okay.
for long trip, maybe go to Uluwatu.
Yeah.
Yes, you can keep.
Okay,
video
it's
call.
better.
Yes.
This and this.
Yes.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
No problem.
Welcome.
Can I get your number?
Okay, good moment. If you will go to Ubud,
Yeah.
yes, Kintamani, more. You keep my number.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Verdim açma adamın numarasını alıyorum Uluwatu'ya gitmek için falan.
The WhatsApp, okay?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Çok iyiymiş motor. Evet. Çok rahat geldim arkama yaslanarak.
Mis gibi iyi yaptın.
Hey, what's
Yeah.
your name?
Ben.
Ben.
Yes.
I'm Selena.
Selena, nice to meet you.
Ben Berli.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
you
gonna
take-
call you for sure, yeah?
Yes, okay. You
If you're gonna
text-
give me a nice price, I'm
Oh.
gonna call you every day, okay?
Okay.
Ciao ciao.
Dadah.
Geldim,
Bye.
bakmak istedim.
Itu labri saya.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go center.
Okay.
Thank you, bye bye.
Welcome, bye.